since the panda arrived, and then we built this facility here called Istana Panda or the Panda Palace. So I would say the design of this building is almost 100% Chinese architecture. However, you can see the food that we serve here is like a blend of the Chinese culture as well as the Indonesian cuisines. When we do the shows, we also introduce the Indonesian hybrid shows with the Chinese dance. So but we want the visitors to come, and mostly Indonesians, to come here. They can have the atmosphere of the Chinese architecture with the panda, so they can taste a little bit of China here in Indonesia.
Tentu saja sangat bermanfaat sekali ya Mbak, karena kan memang perawatan panda ini cukup spesial. Terus kemudian orangnya juga harus teliti, harus memperhatikan semua perilakunya dia setiap saat.
And we hope that the collaborations between China and also Indonesia, and also with Taman Safari Indonesia, will be even more and also stronger. So we have so much plenty to exchange and to learn with each other. And of course, again, hope that we are always healthy, both countries, more prosperous, and we will see better days ahead.